Dear students, last chapter we had seen about confronting marginalization, and we are moving to chapter 10. That is what law and social justice. Okay, that is the chapter we are going to see that, and how the law is helpful for us, and how the law is safeguarding, and we are going to study some case studies. Okay, that is what Bhopal gas tragedy and what is happened in that incident, and how the workers, okay, that is what it helps to the how the law is help to the workers also, and how the law is help to the producers, consumers. Okay, that is what when you are consuming any product, and that is the thing we are going to see it in this chapter. And you had already known that how they are manufacturing the shirt which you are wearing. Okay, that is the thing. There are various process, and you know that the raw material we are getting from agriculture only, that is the shirt as a cotton, and again second it comes to the process of spinning, and third it goes for the process of weaving, and after that only we are making as a fabric. Okay, that is what fabric or cloth. Okay, that is the trap. And you know that the producer is different. Okay, every thing the producer, and you can able to tell that you can able to say that the worker, consumer and producer. Okay, that are the things, and you are going to we are going to see this how the law is helpful for them. That is what the you know that many private parties also set up various industries in India. Even government, you know that Bhopal gas tragedy. Okay, that is what in the Bhopal gas which is leaked in India, and you know that it is situated in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, that is what the factory. It is a foreign company only. That is what we are want to see that how they had given a compensation to the people, and that is the main thing for able to tell that. Okay, and so that we can able to take this few examples. In a factory, any workers, okay, workers are paid low wages or sometimes no wages. Okay, that is what why. And children are employed in dangerous works like factories, match factories, brick industries, etc. You know that we are having, according to the constitution, no below the age of 14, no children go to be engaged in this employed in factories. Okay, that is the main thing. And what are the safety measures taken in the industry? That is what sanitation facilities. Okay, that is what that is not taken care in industry. And you can able to tell that many problems which is having the society, either it goes for a social conflict or anything. You can able to tell that any social conflict issues based on religion or based on casteism or anything, always it always goes for in the problem solving with the law only. Okay, if the law is not, that means the things are not going to be solved easily. Okay, even when the law is violated, and you are going to be punished. Okay, that is the thing. You can able to tell that, you can able to say that any issues in the environment or in India, because we are having the separate constitution, you know that. And what we are studying in the chapter 1, why do we need a constitution. Okay, that is the thing goes for. And if there is a no rules, and always you are going to be a rule breakers only. Okay, you won't accept the rules most probably. Okay, and who are the responsible person for decision making and all the things, you can able to we can able to see that with the help of this case study, Bhopal gas tragedy. See, beauty of Taj is going away. Why? Because of air pollution. You know that concern for national heritage. Okay, that is what the thing. Girls are not allowed to attend the school. Earlier, now you are allowed to attend the school. Nobody will restrict you. But due to COVID situation, now you are not allowed to attend the school. You know that there is a strict rules in implementing, so that only you are sitting in the house and eating well and sleeping well. Okay, that is what the thing. And now you can able to tell that by the government order, this 10th and 12th standard students, the schools are open. Okay, these are the examples we can able to say that various issues in India, you can able to say that how it is solved. Okay, that is the thing you can able to say that. First we are going to see the case study, this Bhopal gas tragedy. You know that you might have already studied about this Bhopal gas tragedy. Bhopal is located in Madhya Pradesh. You know that it is happened in Union Carbide factory. That is what the pesticide plant in the city of Bhopal in India. On night 2 to 3rd December, on early morning in 1984, the plant released approximately 40 tons of toxic methyl isocyanate. That is shortly we will tell as the MIC. Okay, methyl isocyanate. It is a poisonous gas, exposing more than 500,000 people to toxic gases, and 1,000 died immediately from the effects of the gases. Nearby villages and almost probably 1,000, and after that it is going for 20,000 of people are died after an hour. That is the main tragedy happened in Bhopal, which the Union Carbide factory is situated in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, that is the main thing you can able to tell that. Even the Madhya Pradesh state also you can able to see that many criminal activities happened in Madhya Pradesh state compared to our Tamil Nadu and compared to other states. Okay, that is the thing. You know that number one state is in criminal activities and all the things. The people are most probably not able to, not well educated, and educated people also doing the such a misbehavious activity in crime related activities in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the state which is going to be number one in this crime related activities. Okay, and second comes for Bhopal gas tragedy. And this Bhopal also, it is not safe for girl candidates also. That is what the state it is having the problem. Still now there is a thing. Anyway, this Bhopal gas tragedy occurred in Madhya Pradesh state only. That is the thing. And what message does Bhopal gas tragedy convey to us is that, you know, that is a disaster. Okay, because of the poisonous gas leak. That is what the gas name is MIC, methyl isocyanate. Many people are died. Okay, that is what the toxic chemicals, because all the people are slept in early morning. You know that nearly it occurs in 3 o'clock. That is the early morning 3 o'clock. This disasters happened in Madhya Pradesh, and it is, you know that it is a disaster, but it is a reminder of how dangerous toxic chemicals can to be to the environment. That is the main thing. How this it always polluting the environment in a more manner. It is also important to remember that accidents like this can happen the more we continue to invest in toxic chemical plants for economic profits. Okay, you know that the companies always go for economic profits in a more manner. They won't bother about this environment. Okay, because even they won't bother about the workers also, the safety of that company. Okay, that is the thing. Safety for the workers also, they won't bother. They will that is what the thing every companies they are doing. Okay, not only this Bhopal gas tragedy. If you go for fireworkers and other company in Tuticorin Sterlite, any company you can able to see visit, the workers are most probably suffering a lot, and the company needs this economical profits only. They won't bother about this human beings, or they won't bother about this environment. Okay, that is what the thing. And for that, for example, that is what you know that the law is needed for controlling. If the law is not there, means the people not able to obey. That is the main thing you can able to say, that in any company most probably they will give this minimum wages to the workers. Any factories or fire factories or any factories, think it of iron and steel plants, factories, and without humans, you know that no factories can able to work also. Anyway, now it is going to be automatic machines and all the things. For operating that also we need a human being. That is the main thing you can able to understand, that in all factories they are giving minimum wages to the workers only. That is what the thing goes for. And you know that the act what we are calling as the Equal Remuneration Act. Okay, earlier you know that there is a gender difference for giving salary to the people. For gents only they will get more salary earlier, but now after the enacting this Equal Remuneration Act, and if now the women are also equal, that is what the thing, you cannot able to discriminate this on the gender basis, male or female. Okay, earlier you can able to say that all the same work only the female will do, and at that time they are having getting low wages. Okay, that is what the low salary. And nowadays it is going to be in a different, if that is what male is going to be a teacher, what the female salary is getting, she is going to be equal. Okay, male or female or equal salary we are getting. Okay, that is the main thing you can able to tell, that that is what the Equal Remuneration Act deals with. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. In any factories there will be three parties. I already told that how this a story of shirt, that how the process is going for in the manufacturing company or manufacturing industries also, you can able to tell that, because industries are the production, they are completely doing production, that is what the thing goes for, and they are going to be a continued as a finished product in a more manner. Okay, with the raw material, either goes for a raw material of agriculture product or mineral based industries, that. Okay, every industries you can able to tell that, if shirt it is going to be a, you can able to tell as agro based industry. Okay, that is most probably you might have studied in geography in a more manner how this industries are going to be agro based or mineral based industry. And always these three parties will be there. There will be workers in the that is what in the factory. Either you take it up any factory, either this Union Carbide factory or any industry. Okay, workers will be there, and always the producers will be there. The manufacturing industries, they are going to be producers. These workers only helps to this production of if for example iron and steel means they make iron and steel industries, and they are converting into a steel means this, they are going for a production. Okay, that is what the producers. And again the product is produced in a well manner. Either it goes for any product. If you are telling, if you are eating product also, you can able to think it up. Okay, that is what the thing. And the product, if they are produced means they want to sell it. Okay, and the consumers which we are, okay, you are buying one product from your shop, you are a consumer. Okay, if you are buying any product, either pencil or map or anything from the shop, you are a consumer. Okay, that is what the things you can able to say that. So these three parties are most probably is an important in this industries based. Okay, manufacturing industries based. And if the law is not there means the three parties having the problem. That the workers, they are going for they want to work more than 8 hours. Okay, that is what according to the law they need to work only up to 8 hours. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. And same like you can able to say that problems are many. Okay, that is what the problems are many in India. You can able to tell that child labor. Okay, Bhopal gas tragedy and flood victims. That is what the how many people are died, because these are the problems most probably happened in India, not only in India, throughout the world. That is what anything may occur. That is what that still now the child labor and some areas are there. Okay, that is what the flood victims, that we cannot able to control. That is what disaster, because these are the natural disaster, flood, cyclone. Okay, earthquake. Okay, earthquake and all. Before that we cannot able to that is what predict. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. Okay, after receiving and after destroying only we can able to say that this area earthquake has come. That is what the thing, we cannot able to predict the earthquake. Okay, that is what so that only we are calling the term as natural disasters. Okay, and due to this natural disasters also, who is going to help? That is the main thing you can able to say that think it up, and who will help and take care. Okay, and these are the incidents, either it goes for a Bhopal gas tragedy, natural disasters or floods or anything. Okay, cyclone. And that the thing is goes for in many social conflict, social issues, and there is a conflict between the religious conflict in India, and you can able to tell that you are conflict between the two person. Okay, that is what the thing. And that is what the thing, these are the many social issues in India, and think it of who will help and take care. Okay, and either an individual, like you. Okay, you are an individual, you will solve the problem. No, a community, either it is belongs to a group of community, the people who are living in a more manner, that is what belongs to any community. That is the thing, community based, they are going to solve the problem. A society, a foreign company, or a government. Okay, and coming to the answer, it is going to be a government only. Okay, that is what government only helping. You know that no individual people, and whether the natural disasters comes means even the government only put a certain rules and regulation. You want to be like that. That is what by, you know that cyclone, when cyclone comes, you know that Indian Meteorological Department is going to be alert you. That is what you should not come outside. That is what heavy. That is what you can able to tell, that heavy airflow will be there, wind generation will be there, and heavy rainfall will be there. That is what the thing goes for. And any disasters happen also, no other the people will come. Okay, even the individual people cannot nearby. Sometimes only they are going for helping them. Okay, that is the individual. But major disasters and all the things, the government is going to be solve the problem in a more manner. You can able to say that. Okay, so that only government, that the laws, many laws are implemented in India. Okay, that is what you know, that according to the Constitution of India, on 26th January we are celebrating this Republic Day. Okay, you know that why we are celebrating Republic Day, based on this Constitution enacted. That is what they implemented in India, which all the people should accepted this Constitution of India, and all the people should follow the rules and regulation what the Constitution says. Okay, either it goes for fundamental right and certain rules and regulation for all the people of India and all the people of this decision makers also. Either goes for Prime Minister of India, Chief Minister of state. That is what the thing goes for. So everything, there is a separate laws are implemented. Okay, that is what the things goes for. Okay, the government has to ensure that these laws are implemented. Okay, this means that law must be enforced. Okay, that is what enforced. The law is going to be enforced or not. Enforcement becomes even more important when the law seeks to protect the weak from the strong. For example, the poor people not able to get this law immediately, because the government only helped them. We can able to tell that how this we had studied about this confronting marginalization, how the Adivasis people are discriminated, and what the law is going to be safeguarding them. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. And even the government will regularly inspect work sites and punish those who violate the law. Okay, any construction sites also, anything. Okay, any misbehaviors activities in the industry, either it is going for a private sector also, the government will indulge them and always acts more enormously. That is what most probably they will give more importance. The government is giving more importance to help them. That is the main thing you can able to tell, that is the main role of the government. Okay, it helps the people in a more manner, whether it won't says that. So that only regularly the government inspect work sites. For example, now we are started schools for 10th and 12th standard, you know that. Okay, that is what, due to COVID situation, now we are started the schools also, and government is inspected. Okay, whether all the facilities for the students is correct, and whether the students for one class they are sitting as for 25 students are there. Okay, that is what the rule of the government, whether all the schools are following. Okay, and various teams are going to be inspect the work details of the schools, and whether they are keeping the social distancing in a more manner. Okay, that is what the students also want to keep social distancing. Okay, that is what the inspect, they are framed a separate committee for inspect them also. And if the people who violate the law, and most probably they are going to be punishable. Okay, and you know that according to this fundamental rights, and you know that we are studied about fundamental rights, right to equality and all the things. If you are violating fundamental rights, you can able to appeal PIL, public interest litigation, in the Supreme Court of India, what we have studied also. And in the fundamental right against exploitation. Okay, no one can be forced to work for low wages or under bondage. Okay, that is what you cannot able to go for an agreement. Okay, 1 year agreement, 2 year agreement, 3 year agreement. The bondage is not there. Okay, whether you are willing, you can able to work in the company. If you are not able, not need to work you can able to resign your will and wish only. There is nobody can able to control, or no one can be forced to work for low wages or under bondage. Okay, and according to this rights against exploitation, no child below age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or mines or engaged in any other hazardous employment. Okay, that is what the things you can able to say that. And merely the law is there, and how you are respecting that law and how you are obeying that law. Okay, how for example, how you are obeying the class teacher, the same manner only in the society also, how you are giving respect to the school and all the things how you are doing, the same thing only you can able to obey the law in a well manner. Okay, now surely the law is that nearly, you know that we are having 470 articles in India, okay, which the people should follow. And if you are in one area wise, that is what one purpose. And if you are violating the law, surely you are going to be punished. Okay, that is what we are studied about, understanding criminal justice system and all the things and all. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. And this what the law is very important for social justice. And again we can able to see that what is meant by workers work, and how this the law is implemented in for environment. Okay, that is what the safety laws, and you can able to lot to new laws to be protect the environment. And that is what the things we are going to see that. Okay, how it is helpful, that's all. Okay, that is what the thing. And this ends with the session. Thank you for attention. Thank you.